Listen up, I know you're busy. Meetings, screens, and by the time you think about food, you're starving. You grab whatever's closest, a sad sandwich, a bag of crisps, and end up feeling sluggish and disappointed. Think you don't have time to eat well? That's nonsense. You just need a plan. Recipes faster than takeout, and 100 times better for you. Healthy eating isn't complicated or expensive, and it doesn't take hours. Today, I'll show you how to take back your lunch break and evenings with 3 fat-burning meals, all ready in 10 minutes. No more excuses. These meals are your secret weapon against workday weight gain. We're making a citrus chicken power bowl, a sizzling turkey zucchini skillet, and tuna yogurt lettuce wraps on stradino growruns. Alpergogen nansit starch, archuneverdwaiki nendrider. Ein surdila was packed with flavor, nutrition, and speed. Put your phone down, step away from the vending machine, and pay attention. It's time to fuel your body like the high performer you are. Let's get cooking. First up, the Citrus Chicken Power Bowl. This is the ultimate lunch for anyone who wants to eat well, feel energized, and save time. It's vibrant, packed with nutrients, and comes together in minutes. No cooking, just smart assembly. You don't need fancy equipment or hours in the kitchen, just a few fresh ingredients and a little bit of prep. Start with pre-cooked quinoa as your base, protein, fiber, and ready in seconds. Quinoa is a complete protein, so it keeps you full and supports muscle recovery, making it perfect for busy days. Add pre-cooked shredded chicken breast for lean protein. Rotisserie chicken is a great shortcut, and you can prep it ahead for the week. Next, black beans for extra fiber and plant protein. They add a hearty texture and help keep your blood sugar stable. Toss in some canned corn for sweetness and color. Corn brings a natural pop of flavor and a touch of crunch. Slice up red bell pepper for crunch and add cherry tomatoes for a burst of acidity. These veggies are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C. Dice half an avocado for creamy, healthy fats, great for your brain and energy. Avocado also helps you absorb all those fat-soluble vitamins from the veggies. Look at that: quinoa, chicken, beans, corn, peppers, tomatoes, avocado, a rainbow of nutrition. Every color brings its own unique benefits, from immune support to heart health. Now, the dressing. Juice of half a lime and half an orange, a drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes. The citrus adds brightness, while the olive oil brings healthy fats and richness. Shake, or whisk, then drizzle lightly over your bowl. The aroma alone will make your mouth water. The citrus cuts through the richness and ties everything together. It's the secret to making healthy food taste restaurant quality. Prep your components ahead. Chop veggies, cook quinoa, mix dressing. So lunch is just assembly. You can even portion everything out for grab-and-go meals all week. This bowl is faster than waiting in line for coffee and keeps you full, focused, and energized. You'll be amazed at how much time you save and how much better you feel. Every ingredient has a purpose: protein for muscles, fiber for fullness, vitamins for immunity, healthy fats for your brain. It's a balanced meal in every bite. No more mid-afternoon slumps or guilt about lunch. You'll power through your day without the crash. This is clean, efficient fuel that tastes like a cafe meal but takes minutes. You get all the flavor, none of the hassle. Next time you're tempted by junk food, picture this bowl: vibrant, delicious, and easy. It's a choice you'll feel good about every time. You'll feel energized, focused, and proud of your choice. It's more than just lunch, it's self-care in a bowl. Healthy eating can be exciting and satisfying. You don't have to sacrifice taste for nutrition. You're not depriving yourself. You're treating yourself to something amazing. This is food that makes you feel good inside and out. So, when you're busy, remember this Citrus Chicken Power Bowl. It's your shortcut to a healthy, delicious meal, no matter how packed your schedule is. It's your defense against bad food choices. One bowl, endless benefits. Assemble, drizzle, and enjoy. A perfect fat-burning lunch in under 10 minutes. No more excuses. You deserve a meal that works as hard as you do. This is how you eat smart, even on your busiest days. With a little planning, healthy eating becomes effortless. Make it once, and you'll never go back to sad desk lunches. It's a game changer. You'll look forward to lunch every single day. Try it, and see how good you can feel. Your body and mind will thank you. Ready for the next recipe? Let's keep going. There's so much more deliciousness ahead. Healthy, fast, and delicious. That's the new standard. You can have it all, and it starts right here. On to dinner. Let's do it. Had a long, draining day? Skip the takeout menus and forget about waiting for delivery. You deserve something better, something that's both quick and nourishing. Tonight, let's whip up a turkey zucchini skillet, hot, healthy, and on your table in just 8 minutes. It's a one-pan wonder that's as satisfying as it is simple. Start by heating a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat, then add a generous splash of olive oil. The sizzle means you're on the right track. Next, add lean ground turkey. It's lower in fat than beef, packed with protein, and cooks up fast. Perfect for busy nights. Break up the turkey with your spatula and let it brown. Season generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and dried oregano. These spices bring warmth and depth, making the whole kitchen smell amazing. While the turkey cooks, grab a fresh zucchini and grate it. Zucchini is a quick-cooking, low-calorie veggie that's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's the secret to making this meal both hearty and healthy. Add the grated zucchini right into the pan. It'll cook down quickly, soaking up all those delicious flavors from the turkey and spices, and adding a pop of color. Stir everything together until the turkey is fully cooked and the zucchini is tender. This only takes a few minutes. The mixture should look vibrant and smell irresistible. Finish with a generous handful of fresh parsley. It adds a burst of color and a fresh herby note that brightens up the whole dish. That's it. One pan, one bowl, and dinner is ready before you know it. No fuss, no waiting, just real food fast. This meal is light but filling, perfect for winding down after a hectic day without feeling weighed down. It's comfort food you can feel good about. The turkey gives you lean protein for muscle recovery, while the zucchini adds fiber, vitamins, and a subtle sweetness. Every bite is balanced and nourishing. Want to make it even heartier? Stir in some leftover quinoa or cauliflower rice for extra texture and nutrition. It's a great way to use up what's in your fridge. But, honestly, this skillet is perfect just as it is. Simple, rustic, and absolutely delicious. Sometimes, less really is more. Cleanup is a breeze. Just one pan and one spatula to wash. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time relaxing. With this recipe, you're in control of your food and your health. You're making choices that support your energy and well-being. No more greasy takeout or late-night snacking that leaves you feeling sluggish. This is a smarter, tastier way to end your day. The best part? This skillet is endlessly versatile. Swap turkey for chicken, or try mushrooms and peppers instead of zucchini. Use what you have and make it your own. The formula is simple. Quick cooking protein, quick cooking veggies, bold seasoning, and just one pan. It's a blueprint for easy, healthy dinners any night of the week. So next time you're tired and tempted to order out, remember this recipe. It's your secret weapon for fast, wholesome meals. In less time than it takes to scroll through a delivery app, you'll have a nourishing, home-cooked meal on the table. It's smart, it's fast, and it's perfect for those nights when you need dinner to be effortless. Stay on track with your healthy habits even when you're exhausted. You'll feel proud and satisfied. This is how you eat well, no matter what life throws at you. Simple, quick, and always delicious. Try it tonight. You'll be amazed at how easy and tasty healthy eating can be. Ready for one more? Let's finish strong. Healthy eating, made easy. On to the final recipe. Last recipe, tuna yogurt lettuce wraps. This one's a true game changer for anyone who wants a quick, healthy meal that doesn't sacrifice taste or nutrition. Whether you're looking for a light lunch, a speedy dinner, or a protein-packed snack, these wraps have you covered. Light, refreshing, and high in protein, these wraps are the perfect answer to those days when you want something satisfying but not heavy. They're also incredibly versatile, easy to customize with your favorite add-ins. No bread, no carbs, just crisp lettuce leaves as your wrap. This swap not only keeps things light, but also adds a fresh crunch that makes every bite more enjoyable. Use iceberg, romaine, or butter lettuce. Wash and dry the leaves thoroughly so they're crisp and ready to hold your filling. The right lettuce makes all the difference for texture and taste. For the filling, drain a can of tuna in water and flake it with a fork. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein and it's so convenient to keep on hand for quick meals. Swap mayo for plain Greek yogurt, creamy, tangy, and packed with protein. Greek yogurt not only lightens up the mix but also adds a subtle tang that pairs perfectly with the tuna. Add finely diced celery and red onion for crunch and bite. These veggies bring texture and a pop of color, making the wraps as beautiful as they are tasty. Toss in fresh dill or parsley for a burst of flavor. Herbs elevate the filling, giving it a fresh, vibrant taste that feels gourmet with almost no effort. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice, essential for brightness. The citrus cuts through the richness and ties all the flavors together. Season with salt and pepper, then mix well. Don't be afraid to taste as you go. Seasoning is key to making the flavors pop. Taste and adjust. More lemon, more yogurt, your call. This is your wrap. So make it just the way you like it. Spoon the filling into lettuce leaves. Don't overfill. You want each wrap to be easy to pick up and eat with just the right balance of filling and crunch. You'll get 3 or 4 wraps from one can, making this recipe perfect for solo meals or sharing with a friend. That's it. 5 minutes, no cooking, minimal cleanup. It's the ultimate meal for busy days or when you just don't want to spend time in the kitchen. This meal is perfect for late nights, satisfying but light. You'll feel nourished, not weighed down, even if you eat it right before bed. The protein keeps you full, the veggies hydrate and crunch. It's a combination that supports your energy and keeps cravings at bay. It's a smart, fat-burning dinner that won't weigh you down. You'll feel good about what you're eating, and your body will thank you. Make the filling ahead and keep it in the fridge for quick meals. It's perfect for meal prep. Just grab, fill, and eat whenever hunger strikes. These wraps are also great for gatherings. Set out the ingredients and let everyone build their own. It's interactive, fun, and everyone gets exactly what they want. Use it in wraps, pitas, or sandwiches. The filling is so versatile, you can reinvent your lunch all week long. Every ingredient shines. Crisp lettuce, creamy yogurt, savory tuna, fresh herbs, lemon. It's a celebration of simple, wholesome food. It's simple, honest, and delicious. No fancy techniques, just real food that tastes amazing. When you're tempted by snacks, make these wraps instead. They're a satisfying alternative that won't derail your healthy habits. They'll leave you feeling light, energized, and proud of your choice. It's the kind of meal that fuels your day and lifts your mood. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. This is proof. With just a few ingredients and a couple of minutes, you can create something truly nourishing. Try it tonight. You'll love it. Once you taste how fresh and satisfying these wraps are, you'll want to make them again and again. That's 3 meals, 3 ways to eat smart. Each one is quick, delicious, and designed to help you feel your best. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. These wraps prove that healthy food can be exciting and crave-worthy. Ready to take control of your meals? Let's wrap it up. Here's how you succeed. Keep it simple, keep it fresh, and enjoy every bite. There you have it. 3 fat-burning meals in 10 minutes or less. No more excuses. You've got the recipes and the strategy. Eating well is about smart choices, not more time. Use these meals as your foundation. Experiment, make them your own. Every meal is a chance to fuel your success. Invest 10 minutes in yourself, you deserve it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking. Let me know in the comments which recipe you'll try first. Cheers.